welcome to the very first episode of Discover Lesotho, a show that will kickstart a long overdue journey of the heavenly mountain kingdom. My name is Muchacho Nono, and I'll be part of the team that will open the door to an experience of a lifetime.
An experience regaled with a diverse exhibition of humility, a culture full of wealth, and landscaping that makes Lesotho the beacon of tourism in Southern Africa. My name is Mapule, and I'm excited to share this journey with you.
And Momentous journey will be driven by the three of us. I'm talking about Mapule, Muchacho Nono, and of course myself. You're very lucky that you'll be sitting at home because we'll be definitely losing weight climbing up the mountains. And guys, are you ready to get bruised?
Oh yes, I am.
Because we'll be skiing down the slopes. My name is Palesa. Come join us as we discover Lesotho.
Originally established as a police camp and administrative town during the British Protectorate, Maseru has come of age as a modern 21st century city. You can hardly talk about the history of Lesotho without mentioning the place of the red sandstone.
Modern-day Maseru is inspired by Lesotho's culturally rich background and complemented by the bustling atmosphere of urban skyscrapers and its people.
Lesotho as a nation was born between 1824 and 1834 when King Moshoeshoe I left his stronghold at Botabote to come and settle at Tababsu, the mountain fortress that saw him repulse all invasions to Lesotho. Maseru is the capital town of Lesotho. All these border areas, including Maseru, they were established in 1868 seriously because at that particular time there was a fear that due to the Free State Basotho War, the Boers were likely to overrun these places. This is when Vepena came into existence. After the General Vepena was shot on Tababsu, 1865. Then when Maseru came into existence.
The city lies in a shallow valley at the foothills of the Maloti Mountains. The 2006 national census puts Maseru's population at approximately 227,880, which covers around a tenth of the country's entire citizenship.
Moshoeshoe I was the founder of the nation. Then his son, Elisier I, became an heir after 1870 when Moshoeshoe died. Then Elisier the second had 3 wives. Lesotho is one of the 3 countries that have a monarch as head of state. We have Swaziland, that has got Mosadi III, who is an absolute monarch. Then you have Lesotho, who has His Excellency Lisier III. Then you have Morocco, which has its head of state as the monarch.